Next exercise 4.1. Okay. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. We have to express in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we have to represent in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it is equal to quadratic equation. Okay, it is equal to quadratic equation. The area of a rectangular plot. Area means L into B, which is equal to 528 meters square. Okay, area of a rectangle which is equal to L into B, 528 meters square. The length of a plot is the length of the plot length which is equal to 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, first of all length, take length and breadth may be x. Okay, take it as breadth is equal to x and length is equal to one more. How much more? One more, but twice means 2x. Okay, twice means 2x. We have to take as here as 2x. So which is equal to length is equal to 2x plus 1 and breadth is which is equal to x. Okay, first of all take here breadth is equal to x and length may be equal to 2x plus 1. Why? Because the length of the plot is 1. 1 more means you have to add 1 more, and twice means we have to multiply here twice. Twice its breadth. Twice its breadth plus 1 more. So which is equal to, this is equal to length and this is equal to breadth. Okay. So if you are multiplying this L into B, so which is also equal to area of rectangle. Okay, why? Because L into B is equal to area of rectangle. So multiply these two, which is equal to 2x plus 1 into x, which is equal to L into B. But what is here L into B? L into B is equal to 528 meters square. Okay, so therefore 2x into x, 2x square plus x into 1, x. Transpose the equation, minus 528 we will get it, so it is equal to 0. So therefore ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx, b is equal to, make it as 1, and next c is equal to minus 28. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, so it is a quadratic equation. But the question what he has given, represent the equation situations in the form of quadratic equation. We have to express in the form of quadratic equation only. Next, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We have to find in integers. Okay, we need to find integers. So, product of consecutive integers means consecutive positive integers. So, if the number is x, another number is x plus 1. If the number is y, the another number is y plus 1. If the number is 5, 5 plus 1 you will get 6. If the number is 7, 7 plus 1 you will get here. These are the positive consecutive positive integers. Okay, but the question he has given product. Product means multiply these two, x into x plus 1, but which is equal to, he has given 306. So it is equal to 306. But here what we have to find? We have to find in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. So x into x, x square plus x into 1, x. So transpose it from positive, from RHS to LHS becomes 306, which is equal to 0. So x square plus x minus 306, which is equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 306. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it is a quadratic equation. Next, Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, the product of their ages is 3 years. The product must be which is equal to the product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now will be 300 and 360. Okay, we would like to find Rohan's present age. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay, you have to find. Okay, let first of all take here, let Rohan's age is equal to x. Okay, next present 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 age of Rohan's mother, which is equal to x plus 26. Why? Because older 26 years older years means we have to add here. 26 years ago means we have to subtract here, but 26 years older means we have to add here. Present age of Rohan's age plus 26. Okay, so next 3 years from now. Okay, next questions. Age of Rohan's. Okay, age of Rohan's is x plus 3. Why? Because we have to take from now, 3 years from now. So we have to take at present, we have to add here. From 3 years now, so we have to add here plus 3. So therefore, age of present from now means x plus 3. And next, Rohan's mother also going to change here. Why? Because from now 3 years. Okay. So 3 years from now, so we have to add here plus 3. So x plus 26 plus 3. Why? Because Rohan's age is present age is x. 3 years from now, so we have to add here 3 years. X plus. Next, present age of Rohan's mother is x plus 26. 3 years from now, so we have to add here. So this equation. So x plus 29. So 3 years from now, Rohan's mother's age is x plus 29. Next, 3 years from now, Rohan's age is x plus 3. The product of these two is equal to 360. The product of these two, mother's age and next Rohan's age, 3 years from now, so which is equal to 360. Okay. So x plus 3 and next x plus 29, which is equal to 360. Why? Because he has given the product means multiply, we have to multiply these two, x into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, next x into 3, 3x, x into 29, okay, 29 into 3, 9 3s are 27, 87, so plus 87, which is equal to 360. So x square, if you multiply this, you will get here 32x. If you subtract it, you will get 273, which is equal to 0. Okay. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 32, c is equal to minus 27, 273. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it is a quadratic equation. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, a train travels at a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. Okay. So first of all, take here speed is equal to distance traveled by time. Okay, distance traveled by time. If you want time is equal to distance by speed. So these are the formulas we have to use here. Speed is equal to distance by time. If you want time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. A train travels at a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 kilometers less, then it would be taken time is 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. We have to make a quadratic equation which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So let uniform speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, he has not given any speed, so first of all take uniform speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, next time taken. So this is a formula for time taken. Time taken which is equal to cover the distance, to cover a distance, which is equal to 480 kilometers, which is equal to 480 by x hours. Okay, why? Because to cover a distance, so we have to divide here with x. Okay, so time is equal to distance by speed. So what is the speed we take here? We took here x. So distance is equal to, so it is in a distance by speed. What is the speed we took here? We took here x. So the distance is 480. The distance is 480 by speed is equal to x, so which is equal to time. So t is equal to, therefore t is equal to distance by, sorry, time is equal to distance by speed, which is equal to distance is 480 by x. Why? Because speed is equal to x. Okay, speed is equal to x and distance is 480. Okay, so therefore this is the first equation. And next, if the speed if the speed has been 8 kilometers less, okay, 8 kilometers less, then speed is equal to x minus 8. Why? Because already what is the speed we took here? We took here speed is equal to x. So less means you have to subtract here. The same equation was going to be subtracted here. Why? Because here 8 kilometers less. Okay, 8 kilometers less. Okay, so subtract. Less means you have to subtract here 8, x minus 8. Okay, now time taken. Now according to this equation we have to take time taken. Time taken is equal to 480 by x minus 8. Why? Because speed was going to be changes in this direction, x minus 8. But how much more? It took 3 hours more. Okay, 3 hours more. Okay, here first of all take here speed is equal to x, time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, but here 8 hours less. Okay, 8 is the speed has been 8 kilometers less. 8 kilometers less means we have to subtract here, but the time taken is 480 by x minus 3. But how much the same distance was going to be covered? Here more, 3 hours more means we have to add here 3 hour more. Okay, we have to add here 3 hour means 3 hours more means we have to add here plus 3. Okay, now according to the problem which is equal to 480 by x, which is equal to 480 by x, which is equal to 480 by x minus 8 plus 3. Okay,